People in the New York subway have completely gone crazy. A new trend has appeared online. Surprise everyone in the subway. And people are really doing the impossible. Here's a girl hanging by her hair, performing acrobatic tricks right inside the train. And here's a man dressed as an alien, calmly riding among the passengers. Some turn into animals, others into real Freemasons, as if it's a secret underground meeting. The subway feels like a whole different universe. Would you ride in a place like this? Hit like if you would.